What's up, everyone? Mark here. Welcome back to our Bandit War Games series, and we're leveling up our Bash and Linux skills, challenge at one at a time. And today we're tackling level 4 to 5, and this is one sneaky little gem. The password is hidden in the only human readable file inside the in here directory. Okay, that means we're going to use file command to inspect file types and use wildcard to scan everything at once and then read the one file that plain text. Okay, so let's go. All right, so I'm already inside of our server Bandit 4, and as you can see, if we go into LSDs, we have in here folder, and to try to get inside, so we try to look inside what is inside in here. And as you can see here, if I go into LSLA, I have a bunch of files. So how do I going to uh, check if there's a file that has a password in it? So, like we try to say to you guys, so we're going to use the tool from the file. So if you're going to check the man of file, so basically this is a file determining the file type, okay, of a certain file that we're going to check. And this is what we're going to do, okay? So explain that we don't want to get everything. You know, this is very hassle for us to check everyone by using cat, but most likely the more quickest way to use to scan what we are going to check here is to use the file command. So which is what which is we're going to tell which one of this file is readable. Okay, if I'm going to file and then all files. So basically, we can check here that all of the file has a data, and except for indicate that this is a data, but in the file 7 is indicate is ANSI to text. Okay, and we can call out here that that's a human readable. Okay, because it said his is ANSI. So if we're going to cut on it, so because the file start with a dash. That's what we're using here. We prefix the dot and then forward slash and then all as treat as a path, not an option. We can show here the file. So like the previous video that we used before, how to open this kind of file that there's a starting dash on the word. So that's the proper way to to check on it, okay, or to access, okay. So you can see we expect the output here that this is the password that we have been looking for, okay. So I'm going to copy this, but of course I already copy it in my left side of my terminal, and we can proceed to the next level. So right now, if we're going to disconnect here in the server of the bandit, what what uh, level is that? Is 4. So right now we can access the 5. Okay. and then we're going to use this password, okay, and then paste it, okay. So we're inside of the Bandit pipe, and just to recap, so here we use file is available for us when we are have many files here, so it save time for us by using versus the cutting that we are used to use. And we use here the wildcard star to expand all the files in directory. And we're using here dot forward slash dollar to avoid the leading dash parsing issues and how to show the path for each files. And files that begin with dash are common a gotcha. So the solution, so basically we done here is we prefix the dot like that, okay, and then forward slash and then the file name, okay. This is what we've been using a while ago. So yeah, uh, that will be it. So nice work, guys, and we just completed the level 4 to 5. So the key takeaway here is again, file is to identify the file types and start here to inspect many files quickly. And remember that that forward slash is a trick for a file that start with the dash. So this is a small habit makes you faster, more convenient, confident on the command line. So if you find this helpful, guys, you can smash the like and subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss the next episodes where we're going to dig into find and grep and pattern searching to speed through even bigger puzzles. So I guess I'm going to see you there, guys. I see you there, guys. So keep hacking and keep mastering Bash. Okay?